student, in this video we will be discussing some more questions on work done. The question is like this. It is in 4 part A, B, C and D. The question is, a force of 10 Newton is applied on the block of mass 2 kg. The block starts from rest and moves for 2 seconds. The first part is calculate the work done due to applied force. Second part is if the frictional force of 2 Newton acts between the block and the surface, calculate the work done due to frictional force. Third part is calculate the work done due to the net force, and fourth part is calculate the work done due to the weight of the block. Now this is the block. The applied force is here 10 Newton and frictional force always acts opposite, so frictional force is 2 Newton. The mass of the block is 2 kg. First we want to find the net force. So F net is equal to 10 Newton minus 2 Newton, that is 8 Newton. Now we will try to find the acceleration. Now we have to calculate the acceleration. So F net we have calculated 8 Newton. Mass of the body is 2 kg, block is 2 kg and acceleration A. All of you know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. So 8 Newton is equal to 2 into A. So acceleration we have got 8 by 2, that is 4 meter per second square. All of you know that for the work done, that is force into displacement. So now we will calculate the displacement. So S is equal to ut plus half at square. You know that u is 0, t time is 2 seconds. So 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 by 2. Acceleration we have calculated 4 meter per second square. T time is given here 2 seconds. So that is 2 square. So we have got the displacement. So we have to calculate the work done in different situations. First part is work done due to applied force. Displacement we have got 8 meter. So work done is equal to F applied into S. F applied is given in the question, that is 10 Newton. So 10 Newton multiplied by 8 meter, that is 80 joule. The work done is positive here because applied force and displacement are acting in same direction. Work done due to frictional force. So frictional force is given here 2 Newton in the question. So 2 Newton multiplied by displacement, that is 16 joule. Here the sign is negative, work done is negative because frictional force and displacement is in opposite direction. Work done due to the net force. Net force we have calculated 8 Newton multiplied by 8 meter, that is 64 joule. Now last part is work done due to the weight of the block. All of you know the weight of the block. Weight is always acting downward direction and displacement is in this direction. So the angle between them is 90 degree. Work done, you know the force into displacement. Force is here weight mg and displacement is s, that is 8 meter, and angle is cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Another question is, a body of mass m moves upward with constant velocity v for time t. Find the work done. The question is a logical one. The mass of the body is m. So what will be the force? The force is the weight of the body. So here this is the body having the mass m. So weight of the body, all of you know, m into g. All of you know the work done formula, that is work done is equal to force into displacement, F dot S. So you have to calculate the displacement here also. So S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now what is the value of u? The body moves with constant velocity, so I have kept here u is equal to v. Now acceleration is 0 as the body is moving with constant velocity. Now we have got S is equal to Vt. Now work done is force into displacement. So here force is mg and displacement we have got Vt. I have kept here Vt. So the work done is mg into Vt. Here sign is negative. Why? Because weight is acting downward and the displacement is upward. So work done is negative. Okay.